होंगे सोचो।
सर, कितनी
हम
सेफ्टी
अपने
है?
घर में सो जाते हैं, वो कैसे सोते होंगे?
सर ये
आप रो क्यों रही हैं? आप तो बहादुर बच्ची हैं। आप बहादुर बच्ची हैं। आपको
मैं
तो
बहुत बहादुर हूँ।
आपको तो इस देश का पीएम बनना चाहिए।
नहीं, पीएम नहीं बनूंगी मैं कभी।
नहीं, राजनीति इतनी बुरी नहीं। सुनिए,
मैं
भारत
लॉयर बनूंगी, ह्यूमन राइट्स लॉयर, जो लोगों के लिए सोचता है।
वेरी गुड बच्चे, वेरी
कितना
गुड।
पैसा चाहिए हमें? कितना लूटेगा? कितना पैसा चाहिए हमें? हमें यहाँ पर मर रहे हैं, 7-8 बंदे मर चुके हैं यहाँ पे। इसको कुछ नहीं है, इसको पैसे चाहिए। देश मर रहा है, इन सब लोगों ने इसको वोट किया, इसको शर्म नहीं आती क्या?
धूप के मर जाने से
Hello friends, this is me Ismat Sheikh here with my next video which states Kisan Divas 2020. Kisan Divas is marked in honor of Chaudhry Charan Singh on his birth anniversary. Chaudhry Charan Singh was the 5th Prime Minister of India. On Kisan Divas, farmer unions have urged citizens to skip one meal of a day in solidarity of thousands of farmers protesting for over a month against the new agricultural laws of the central government. Today, that is 23rd of December, every year on this day, we celebrate National Farmers Day to mark the birth anniversary of India's 5th Prime Minister Chaudhry Charan Singh, who in his tenure played a vital role in uplifting the agricultural sector and draft many farmers-friendly policies for farmers' benefits. Also known as Kisan Divas, the day is observed today every year. Nowadays, everywhere you might be seeing that the farmers are protesting. Today, in this video, you all will get answers for all your questions, mind questions like what are the laws which government has put forth to the farmers which farmers are not accepting it. What are the farmers' demand? What are the governments say on this demand? We will hear all in this video. So stay tuned. Thank you. Here is all you want to know about the new farm laws. Number 1. Key provisions of the laws. The key provisions of the new farm laws are intended to help small and marginal farmers. 86% of total farmers who don't have means to either bargain for their produce to get better price or invest in technology to improve productivity of farms. The Act on Agri-Market allows farmers to sell their produce outside APMC mandis to whoever they want. Anyone can buy their produce even at their farm gates. Though commission agents of the mandis and state could lose commissions and mandi fees, respectively. The main reason for the current protest, farmer will get price through competition and cost cutting of transportation. The law of contract farming will, on the other hand, allow farmers to enter into the contract with agribusiness firms or large retailers on pre-agreed prices of their produce. This will help small and marginal farmers as the legislation will transfer the risk of market unpredictability from farmers to the sponsors. The third law seeks to remove commodities like cereals, pulses, oilseeds, edible oils, onion and potatoes from the list of essential commodities. These provisions will attract private sectors, foreign direct investments into agriculture sector. 2. That is the another question. What are farmers exactly fear of? Farmer Union in Punjab and Haryana says the recent laws which enacted at the centre will dismantle the minimum support price MSP system. Over time, big corporate houses will dictate terms and farmers will end up getting less for their crops. Farmers fear that with the virtual disbanding of mandi system, they will not get an insured price for their crops and the Arthiyas commission agents who also pinch in with loan for them will be out of the business. Number 3. What are the farmers' demand? The key demand is the withdrawal of the 3 laws which deregulate the sales of their crops. The Farmers Union could also settle for a legal assurance that the MSP system will continue. ideally through an amendment to the laws. They are also pressing for the withdrawal of the proposed Electricity Amendment Bill 2020, fearing it will lead to an end to subsidized electricity. Farmer says rules against stubble burning should also not apply to them. At the end, let's hear out what government says on this. The government says the 3 farm laws have been projected by the government as major reform in agriculture sector that will remove middlemen and allow farmers to sell anywhere in the country. Until 2020, the first sale of agriculture produce could occur only at the mandis of the Agriculture Produce Marketing Committee, that is APMC. However, after the Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Act 2020 came into force, it allows farmers to sell outside APMC mandis in India.
So friends, wishing Kisan Divas to all farmers. Salute to their hard work irrespective of all the odds. They are the inspiration, true inspiration for all of us. Inshallah, I will come with my next video very soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also comment your views on this video. Thank you so much.